In this video we will teach you step by step how to make creepy Halloween horror videos in Filmora. Like this. Hey everyone! Welcome to Wondershare Filmstock YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get updates. So let's get started. To make this creepy Halloween horror videos, first open any browser of your choice. I open Google Chrome. I search here filmstock.wondershare.com. After searching it, log in with your account here. Now we have to download an effect pack from this website. In the search bar of the website, search for the effect pack. The name of this effect pack is Creepy Halloween Pack. Click here for this Creepy Halloween Pack. Inside this pack you will find 10 titles, 5 elements, 3 transitions and 7 effects. This effect pack is compatible with Filmora 9.6 and above versions. Download this effect. Also download another pack. The name of this effect is Halloween Horrors Pack. Click on this pack. Inside this pack you will find 12 titles, 15 elements, 4 transitions and 2 effects. This effect pack is also compatible with Filmora 9.6 and above versions. Also download this effect. After downloading these 2 packs, open Filmora software. To make this video, I have some videos in media. I quickly drag and drop these videos onto the timeline. After dragging the videos onto the timeline, go to the Elements tab and click on it. Inside the Elements tab, open the Creepy Halloween Pack. This is the pack we downloaded from the Filmstock website. From here I drag and drop the element into the track above the timeline. I drag the same element to the timeline again. This element looks great with the video I have on my timeline. You should also have videos according to the element. I also drag and drop another creepy Halloween element onto the timeline. I go for Halloween Horror Elements pack. I also use some elements from this pack. I drag and drop the bat element from this pack onto the timeline. I double-click on this element. And inside the Transform tab I adjust the size of Within the Customize section within the Animation tab, I apply a keyframe animation to the bat. In the first keyframe I move the bat off the screen. And in the second keyframe I move the element to the middle screen. In the next keyframe I increase the size of the element by scale. And push the element out to the other side of the screen. The next element I'm going to use is the pillar element. I drag and drop it on the timeline. Double click on it. And inside the Transform tab I adjust the size of the pillar according to my video. In the mask section I add transparency to the bottom of the pillar. After doing this, I copy the pillar and paste it in the same place in the track above it. And change its position. I copy both pillars and paste it on the next video. And I increase its length by speed according to the night video below. The shortcut for this is to drag the end with the left click of the mouse while pressing Ctrl from the keyboard. Next element I do this drag and drop. I reduce its size and keep its position at the bottom of the pillar. Then I change the blending mode of this element in the compositing tab and select color dodge. Copy this element. Above that in the same place in the track I paste the same element. Double click on this element. I move its position to the second pillar. In the Customize section within the Animation tab I apply a keyframe animation to both of these elements. And that I will move both elements from one pillar to another pillar. And I will apply the same keyframe animation for the second element as well. Now I copy these two elements and paste it on the next video. I increase the length of both elements according to the night video below. I am also going to use another element from the Halloween horror pack here. I drag and drop this tree element here. I reduce the size of this tree element. In the first keyframe I make the tree element disappear from the lower screen. And in the second keyframe I move the tree element up and into place. You can see that the length of this element is very short. I increase its length by speed. I drag and drop the bat element here as well. And here also add keyframe animation. In this keyframe animation I move the element from the right side to the left side. I keep the element off screen in the start and end keyframes. I copy this element and add a new track above. In this track I paste the same element a little further apart. I reduce the size of this bat element a bit. And at the same time I change the blending mode of this element inside the compositing tab. And select the option darken inside the blending mode box. There's no heart beating inside your chest. It's vanished into thin air, never to be seen again. Another element I drag and drop onto the timeline. I reduce the size of this element. This element I will track with the swing through motion tracking. For this click on the video and click on the motion tracking tool. Until then I hide the track of the above element. The motion tracking sign I put on the swing. And click on Start Tracking button. Next, Show the element trackback. Select the top track element in the motion tracking boxes. You can further adjust the position of the element if you want. So you can see that our element is now tracked with swing. Now I go to the Effects tab and click on it. Here from the Halloween Horror Pack I drag and drop this effect on the timeline here. So you can see the effect we have on the display screen. Within Effects, go to the Creepy Halloween Pack. And from here I also drag and drop some effects onto the timeline. Within the Animation tab, within the Customize section, I add a keyframes animation to the video. And in this I adjust the size and position of the video within the effect frame by shrinking something like this. Next, I add transitions between videos and elements. Go to the Transition tab and click on it. Here within the Filmstock packs, I drag and drop the transitions of the Halloween Horror and Creepy Halloween pack onto the timeline. These transitions will make our Halloween video look even better. Here you will find very good Halloween transitions. You can make the video more perfect by using these transitions inside your Halloween videos. I drag and drop a few transitions from both Halloween packs into the timeline according to my video.
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I'll keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, and I don't need to go around anymore. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway and cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual. Don't you wanna feel right?
After doing this, I want to add some Halloween titles to this video as well. For this, I click on the Titles tab. Here, within the Filmstock packs, there will be the titles of the Creepy Halloween pack and the Halloween Horror pack. Drag and drop any of these titles of your choice onto the timeline. To edit it, double-click on it and edit. Write whatever you want to write here. Okay. I make the background of this text smaller and off the screen like this. So the background of the text will disappear. In the same way you can drag and drop any Halloween titles on the timeline and easily edit it and add it to your video. After doing all this, I add sound effects in the background. For that, I go to Media and click on it. I import some sound effects into Filmora Media. Free download link of all these sound effects is available in the description. You can use it absolutely free. I put all these sound effects in the background. I will add one sound effect to the background of the scenes on the timeline in front of you. And we'll play it in front of you. It will help you a lot in applying sound effects. So you can see that I also added all the sound effects. With that, we made a creepy Halloween horror video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you a lot in making your dragon videos. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, plus subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon. But don't leave without sharing this video and leave your comment below. Bye.